Hi, grade sevens! Welcome to week number 2 of our second session of e-learning. So, in my email to you, you have our e-learning plan for this week. So you can tell it's different from our first week because at the very top up here, it says March 2nd to March 6th. Now the first page looks identical, so it's just reminding you about some keys for success like location, cleaning your workspace, staying organized, asking for help, reading instructions carefully, and don't forget to take breaks and relax. There are a few differences between this week's document and last week's, so let me just point out a few things I would like you to notice. So on the second page here, we've got our week from March 2nd to March 6th. If you're wondering about the document for last week and you wanted to go back and have a quick look, the link is right here to our previous document. So if you wanted to go back and check out what happened last week, the link is right here. Don't forget, we're still running office hours at the same time for all middle school this week as well. So from 1 o'clock to 2 p.m., teachers will be available to answer all of your questions in real time. That means no waiting. Now, you can see here for contact information, each of the teachers has provided you with information about how to contact them, and especially for office hours, how you can reach them easily. We have our weekly task section still here, so teachers will provide you with a nice basic idea of what's happening for the week, but they also have a link to more specific details and information. You can also see here, this time we have some due dates. Now, last week was a short week, so a lot of teachers didn't have specific work that needed to be done on a certain deadline. This week, make sure you are checking the due dates in time so you know how and when things need to be completed. All right. Some of your teachers have also organized this week to do some Google Meets as a class. So, for example, science is hosting a Google Meet for class. So make sure you read the instructions carefully. For your English language and literature, those of you in this class, you also have a Google Meet. And this is going to happen on Tuesday. So please be careful. Make sure you're reading all of the English language and lit instructions so that you don't miss out on this Google Meet. It looks like we also have a Google Meet for some class times for math as well. So this document, again, is your one stop for all of the information that you need. Make sure you are reading carefully and checking out what the teachers have planned for you for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, please remember your teachers are here at all times. We are here to make sure that you're still having a really great learning experience while at home. And if you're struggling or you're having trouble or you're not sure of something, please make sure to reach out to your advisors and your teachers so we can help you and we can provide you with the support that you need. All right, one of the final things I want to mention is we're doing a lot of things online, and there are many teachers who are using Google Hangouts, Google Meets. Our design team was doing something really cool by doing a live screencast and video cast on YouTube. And I just want to remind us of something called online communication netiquette. So just because we're not in the classroom doesn't mean our normal rules don't apply. So we still want to make sure that when we're communicating with others online, we are being respectful, we're being courteous, and we're following Chadwick's core values. If the teachers are Google Meeting with you over a class, please make sure that your discussions, your comments, and your questions are centered around the topic that the teacher would like you to focus on. Side conversations and side chats, especially in an area where you're typing questions or information, that can distract other students, and it also makes it more difficult for the teacher to answer questions that are really important for others. So again, please remember, online we still want to follow our core values. We want to remember that we are going to be respectful to those around us, and we're going to stay on topic, especially with our coursework, to make sure that everybody's getting a great experience and everyone can have their questions and their